Hi, it's Jennifer from Platinum Skincare, and today I'm going to answer another one of your questions. Today's question is, when should I start using anti-aging products? Okay, when do you need to start applying the products that are going to help you with wrinkles? How about right now? Yesterday? Last week? A couple of years ago? The earlier you start preventing wrinkles and spots, the more likely you will avoid them in the long run. Okay, this is not a magic number, but I know people like a starting point. So let's pick that adult onset age of 18. 18 is a great age to start using ingredients that have been shown to slow the effects of aging. It is also a great age where you can truly comprehend that tanning beds are terrible. No, no, no. Do not use tanning beds. UV damages will age your skin faster than anything else. Smoking is another no-no, and so are straws, but I'm not going to lecture you. I'm just here to point you in the right direction. With wrinkles, it's almost 100% prevention. We need to protect our collagen, elastin, and hyaluronic acid so that our skin will continue to stay plump and tight. Vitamin A, like our molecular retinol serum, and antioxidants like vitamin C, grapeseed, resveratrol, vitamin E, and copper can help to preserve all three. Now, each night after washing, make sure to apply retinol to your entire face. That means not just your face, but also your eyes, your neck, and down onto your chest as well, because your chest is going to show aging very quickly. Also, dab on some eye cream and also a little lip butter. Now during the day after washing, apply your antioxidants, then apply your eye cream, and then put on your sunblock. The most important thing you can do to prevent anti-aging is to apply a broad spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30 or 40 every single day. And no, it doesn't matter if you work inside all day or you're going to be in school all day, because UV damages are everywhere, including the lights in the ceiling and on your desk and everywhere. We have another video on that if you want to learn more, so check that one out when you're done with this one. So let's sum this up. If you are old enough to even be remotely concerned about anti-aging, then you are old enough to start preventing wrinkles now and start using the proper products every day. If you're unsure, then go with when you turn 18. Happy birthday, you're an adult. Let's start preventing wrinkles today. This is Jennifer, and I'll be back with more tips and tricks to help you always look your best. See you later. Bye.